Hey everybody, today I'm really excited because I just received this Japanese Damascus steel knife that I received for purposes. It comes with a user manual, and as you can see it comes really well protected. I think that it's quite nice. As you can see, it has a really beautiful handle, and I'm gonna take it out of this box carefully not to cut myself. Okay, it's quite lightweight, which I think that it's really nice. It feels of an amazing quality. The handle it's really nice, and also the blade it's quite beautiful. I can literally see myself in the reflection, which is quite funny. The grip it's really nice. I think that it's perfect because it's a really ergonomic handle and it feels really steady, and as you can see it has a really beautiful blade. Okay, the knife handle it's actually really comfortable and ergonomic, and the size, length and weight of the knife handle are ergonomically designed to minimize all the wrist tension and providing a really nice grip comfort. It has a really thin blade angle, making all the knife thinner and perfect for a more precision cuts, making it really versatile and suitable for different types of foods, which I think that it's nice. And it's made with Japanese Damascus steel. And it's perfect to use it in any kind of cooking style, whatever you want to cook. You can cut obviously through anything that you use it. It's really sharp, which I think that it's nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna prepare breakfast, so let's go. Okay, as you can see it's really sharp. It cut right through it, which I think that it's really nice. I almost didn't need to press it on, which I think that it's excellent. Just letting it on, it did the work. Okay, so let's take this one out. Okay, really nice, really easy. Let's see with the potato. As you can see, it slides like butter. Really sharp out of the box, which I think that it's nice. And as you can see, it's really nice, really simple to use. It's quite sharp, which I think that it's excellent. And the Damascus design, I think that it looks really beautiful. It's quite nice. As I've said, the handle grip, it's really perfect, really ergonomic, and I think that it's really versatile, really great chef knives. And overall, I like a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.